Oh, come on, it's taking too long.
Relax, Sammy. It's almost the time.
It said 10 a.m. sharp. 15 minutes left.
Oh, Sammy. See? It's here.
Hurry!
Here are your classy headphones, Mr. Day Late.
Oh, well. They looked way cooler in the commercial.
Let's customize them with creative design, Dan.
Huh? Raj, where are you? We need to paint these first. Whoa!
You're always in a hurry. Be more careful. Let's practice on paper first. Okay, we need pencils, as we're gonna draw a picture for the headphones.
Whee!
Draw your own version.
It's gonna be my drawing. I'm 100% sure about it.
We'll see. I'm actually pretty good at drawing, too.
Okay, fine. Just check out my piece of art here.
Your drawing won't even fit on one side.
Well, let me see yours then. Whoops, it was an accident.
Sam, we'll just make a new one. Fellows, come join us. Let's start over. Hey, look what I've got.
Whoa, Raj, that's me! Great! There's just one important detail missing.
Oh, I get it. You finished the glasses. Thanks.
What am I holding here? I can't figure it out.
A lollipop. How could you not tell?
Yummy! I want it, want it, want it!
It's time to transfer the drawing to the canvas. Let's hope Sam will appreciate it.
Raj, I'm ready for school. I want to showcase my headphones.
But I just finished the first stage.
So pale. I was hoping for something brighter.
Thanks to the dama, we still have time. We need to color the design with markers. Starting with Sammy. He's the center of the composition.
I'll do something important too then. Woo!
What's that? Your picture is already colored up.
Check this out. I picked the colors for the lollipop.
Let's see. You have some nice palettes here. I don't even know which one to choose.
This one's my favorite.
It's decided then. Oh, nice. Will you try them on?
Hey, not yet. I'm not satisfied with the looks.
What if we painted the background?
Oh, great. It should compliment me. But actually, you forgot something else. I'll do it myself. Here, and here, and there. Done. Now the picture is perfect.
I'll also add an outline for volume, if you don't mind. Done! Now we can have a little rest. Stay tuned.
I dreamed of cool headphones, but here's what I've got in the end.
Sammy, but we're not finished yet. Just wait a bit. We need to color the other sides too, to make them brighter.
Raj, I've got a bunch more markers here. Make your choice.
Let's do a random guess. This one.
Great. And I have an awesome idea. Woohoo!
It's okay. I'll find out eventually. Whoa, I'd better check on Sam.
Hey, is Raj gone? Are you sure? Then it's my cue. I'm about to do something super duper cool. Check this out.
I gotcha. What are you plotting at?
Hey, I wasn't plotting, just decorated a bit.
By the way, it turned out great. Sammy, come back. Let's try them on.
Oh.
What do you think?
Still not bright enough.
Then we'll pick more colors using this magic hat.
Okay, I got the brightest of them.
Hold on, I need my magic wand.
Let's see if Raj can handle my magic tricks then.
I'll have this instead. Huh, a true magician can work with anything.
Magic wand it is.
Come on, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, cotton wool. What?
You failed, Raj, but I know how to use it.
Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. This time it should be a toy? Come on.
Raj, you're something else. Just give it to me.
There's gotta be a marker in here. Come on. Oh, finally. Yellow's good enough.
Oh, you make such a mess. Sue won't be pleased.
You set this whole thing up.
Hey, you're getting out the way! I'm not kidding!
Gotcha. All right, friends, let's keep coloring. Oh, Sam.
Raj, I'm tired. I need a rest. So sleepy.
Of course, Sammy. I'll tuck you in. Stay tuned. Sammy! Sammy!
They're chasing me.
Sammy, wake up!
Raj, it's you.
I drew the outlines while you were asleep.
Oh, then it's time for C'est magnifique. I'll color it all up. Just watch it
Hold
all.
on. We use markers, not paint.
Raj, check out these colors.
I think we should focus on these shades.
Then I cross this one up. We already used it.
Okay, I'll take the yellow marker.
So I cross out the yellow too. And here's my favorite one. Pink. Let me color with it.
No way! I started the whole
No,
thing!
you did not. I'll do it myself.
Woohoo! I won! The pink marker is mine!
But you can project this. Check it out. Wow. And with no markers at all. Whee!
Not bad. Let's try them on me!
Hey, they're my headphones. Give them back.
Sammy, I was kidding! We're not done yet. Let's coat the headphones in Mod Podge so the colors don't smudge.
Then we need to dry it out, right? Whoosh, whoosh.
Sammy, wait! You're gonna hit me in the head!
Okay, we'll do this instead. Again and again. Much better.
Let's see. Yeah, awesome! It dried out!
We need to polish them to add some shining.
Sure! It'll shine so bright it'll make your eyes hurt. Why don't we polish you too, Sammy?
Cause I'm already shiny. In fact, I gotta get ready for school. Bring the headphones in.
How's this?
I like it. The color, the shape, and in between.
I've been thinking. I'd better keep these headphones for myself.
Hey, stop right there. Those are mine. I'll let you wear them later.
I should paint headphones for Sue too.
Raj, save me. The headphones, now.
What? But you want to show them off.
Now they all want them. Shh, I wasn't here.
Where is he? Let's get him to make us the same headphones.
Okay, he's not here. Let's keep searching. Oh, run, Sammy, run! And I'm gonna test the headphones. See y'all.